Hello, student. I am Vinita Kumari, TGT Science from kendriya Vidyalaya, Mashrakh. Today we will discuss about a new chapter, synthetic fiber and plastic of class 8 science. Objective of this objective of today's part of this video are: first, identification of synthetic fibers, and the second, explore different types of synthetic fibers. Let's start with synthetic fibers. The clothes which we wear are made up of fibers. Fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural or artificial sources. Artificial fibers are also used for making a large variety of household articles. Students, we have already learned in the previous class that fibers are of two types: natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, obtained from plant or animals, and the second, the synthetic fibers, on the other hand, are made by human beings. That is why these are called synthetic or man-made fibers. A synthetic fiber is a chain of small units of chemical substances joined together. Many such small units combine to form a large single unit called a polymer. The word polymers come from two Greek words. Poly means many and mer means part or unit. Polymers occur in nature also. For example, cotton is a polymer of cellulose. Cellulose is made up of large number of glucose units. Synthetic fibers possesses unique characteristics which make them popular dress materials. They dry up quickly, they are durable, less expensive, readily available and easy to maintain. Types of synthetic fibers. There are several varieties of synthetic fibers. Few are rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, plastic. Rayon. Rayon is also called artificial silk. It is a very popular synthetic fiber. Although rayon is obtained from a natural source, that is wood pulp, yet it is a man-made fiber because rayon is made by chemical treatment of wood pulp fibers. Rayon is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fiber. It can also be dried in a wide variety of colors. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. Nylon is another man made fiber. We can also say that nylon is the first man made fiber. It is prepared from coal, water, and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylons are strong, elastic, and light. It is lustrous and easy to wash, so it became very popular for making clothes. We use many articles made from nylon, such as socks, rope, tents, toothbrushes, car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. Nylon is also used for making parachutes and ropes for climbing because nylon thread are actually stronger than a steel wire. Here I am going to share a picture of uses of nylon fibers. We can see in picture the articles made from nylon fibers, which shows the elasticity of the nylon fiber and strength of nylon fibers. Now talk about polyester. Polyester is another synthetic fiber. Terylene is a popular polyester. Polyester is made by two combination of two words poly and ester. Polyester is actually made up of repeating units of chemicals called ester. Some fabrics are made by mixing two types of fibers like polycot. It is made by a mixture of polyester with cotton, B polywool, made by a mixture of polyester and wool. We can make other types of polyester by mixing several other synthetic or natural fibers. PET is a very familiar form of polyester. It is used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires, and many other useful products.
Polyethylene
PET is the abbreviation of polyethylene terephthalate. Now talk about acrylic. Acrylic fibers are synthetic fibers made from a polymer. A fiber can be called acrylic. This polymer must contain at least 85% acrylonitrile monomer. Typical monomers are vinyl acetate or methyl acetate. Acrylic fiber resembles to wool. Here we have another topic, the petrochemicals. Students, as we all know, the synthetic fibers are man made fibers. For making synthetic fibers, we use petrochemical products. All the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum origin. So, these are called petrochemicals. Now, the plastic. Plastic is also a polymer. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes. Plastic is easily moldable. Plastic can be recycled, reused, co- colored, melted, rolled into sheets, or made into wires. That is why it finds such a variety of uses. Polythene, that is poly plus ethene. It means polythene is made by the poly units or many units of ethene is an example of plastic. It is used for making commonly used polythene bags. Dear students, we will talk about remaining part of this chapter in next video. Here we have assessment questions. Which are based on the topic discussed in this video. First question is match the following. Here we have column A and B. In column A, some points are given that are polyester, Teflon, rayon, nylon, and we have these points with relevant description. First is the polyester. Now we will read all the descriptions given in column B, prepared using for food pulp, used for making stocking, used to make non-stick cookware, fabric do not wrinkle easily. From this, we find the correct match that polyester fabrics do not wrinkle easily. Second one is the Teflon. Teflon is a type of plastic used to make non-stick cookware. Rayon is prepared by using wood pulp. Nylon is used for making stocking. Now we have few short answer type questions. Students, you have to answer these questions on based on this topic we discussed here. Thank you and have a nice day.